Hey gamers, and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be playing the new update on Adopt Me, the Mega Neon. Okay, let's join the server. We are going to be, if you guys have got a good offer for a pink cat, a flying ride pink cat, just type it in the comments. I would be looking for a legendary pet. So yes, but if you've got a neon Shiba, a neon fly ride Shiba Inu, a neon Black Panther, I would take it. So I'm gonna get out my rideable, my favorite pet. Why is it called Dream? I'm gonna dress it up. What should I call it? I'm gonna name it White Chocolate. Yay! So he is my rideable favorite bear in the world. Okay, and if you guys did not know, you can now dress pets. Oh, yep, there is another change. I want to see what other things are in the pet shop. Wow, I never knew about this. This is very funny. So a traffic cone. What is that? 250? No, I'm not buying that. I want to get that. Well, if you guys never knew, but this spike collar is 500, yeah, but you can wait because it will go down to like 250, so it's not like you haven't. I'm gonna buy that. It's very cute. Yeah. Now I've got 907. No, I just bought that. What's this? Oh, that's so cute, but I don't want to waste all of my money on just things for my pet. I'm gonna. Oh! No, he can dress up now. I'm gonna give him. Let's put on the cute outfit, maybe. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna keep that outfit on him. Come on, white chocolate. Okay, guys. So, yep. Wait, what is my stars at? 1, 2. Oh. And this is a shared channel with my cousin, so, and yeah, so this is a shared channel. So if you see him making videos, it is going to be, don't worry, I haven't got hacked. Well, I already have a banana car, so I wouldn't really take that. I just like trading random things. Ooh, a rideable penguin. But that's the annoying thing, is that let's see what they can give me for a neon. No, I want to trade with this girl. I'm going to say, I'm gonna see if I've got some fake. I can accept, because my cousin's got a pink cat as well. I'm going to say, I am wreck for YT. I had to trade a neon uni to get this, guys. I am wrecked for YT, and then this girl says, ooh, a koala. I can actually accept because this is reborn, so it's not really that good anyway. So, oh, I wanted the koala. And a neon. Trade him in a. Okay, let's see what she can give me. For my rideable polar bear, she can do that. And let's see what pet clothes she gives. Decline. I wonder if anyone here is in the mini gamer squad. Well, probably not, because this was a channel that was just created today. So, yeah. And guys, type in the comments if you have an offer for this cannon stroller, kangaroo stroller, French fries stroller, or these eggs. Or this banana car. Or this actually a white scooter. Or a really rare toy. I literally traded a reindeer plush. I get you guys don't know what a reindeer plush or a horse. Okay, or a horse plush. I traded a neon king bee for that. A neon king bee. Ooh, a bowler. I'm gonna say me. A bowler. No. Why is everyone trading me? Mine's a legendary rideable potion and a rare. For 2 ultra rares, I can decline. No, why would I tell you my TikTok username, you weirdo? I don't want to get scammed. I don't want anyone to hack me. I am trying to make a neon horse, so if anyone has a neon horse, I can take it for... Please. She declined. Okay, so my thing did need... I want to trade with this girl. I want her. Oh my days, how many does she have? This girl is practically rich. And so am I with my pink cat. Well, she doesn't want a pink cat. Well, I already have a pink cat, so I don't really care. So why should I flare? But why am I singing? It's so bad. Good day, mate. Want me to train your animal? Yes, pet trainer Shane, please. And I will be showing you guys a secret place in Adopt Me. So I'm gonna go and hopefully my polar bear will trainer come along. So yeah. So first of all, you're gonna want to go to the campsite. View this girl's passing. Trade and dance. So you'll want to go to the campsite. I'm gonna ride my polar bear because it's okay. So you're gonna want to go into the campsite shop. Oh, sorry guys, I've just got a bit of a blocked nose. You see, and then you see, oh, why is this so suspicious? Well, it's just a normal vent, so let's just go sit down. Well, guys, you're doing something seriously wrong here. Look, nothing to see here. Well, you can see something behind it. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna go through the vent, and then what do you see? Egbert. So they get a thing, and a cracked egg equals a dog. Well, they've crossed it out so no one can see. They said, get out, get out, get out, same. Oh, so these are some new updates that are going to come into Adopt Me. And then also, if you don't know about this, all that you need to do is turn into a baby. Show my avatar. Switch to baby. And then you're going to need a grappling hook. It could be anyone, even the ice pick one, and just try and use your grappling hook. And then, wait, you just saw me, guys. I was just in. And there's also, oh wow. If you remember the Pet Rocks thing, the April Fool's Day prank, well, there was a bat there and there's a bat here. Okay, I'm gonna try it this time. Or you can just go really close. And then you're in. And we are going to be doing a massive giveaway. Oh no. We are going to be doing oh, I'm going to ban. Ah. So on this channel, we are going to be giving away. A drum roll, please. a banana car. Well, we can't spawn it in here, but we're not going to be giving away a banana car. Well, we're gonna give away something really rare. So like this marsh plush or something, or if a teddy bear. No, we're not. We're gonna be giving away a mystery item that only me and my cousin Luby know about. So yes, that is very true. Oh, okay. And there's another thing, another secret hack that I want to share with you guys. Look, you could rent this for 200, or you could just click, and then, oh, I was sleepy anyway, and I think it's polar bear, and then you just like have to click ride. Oh no, so you click you, and you jump in, and you own it for free. And also, there is loads of free food. Take as much food as you need. So, and then you jump in, and then you literally own this for free. But except the s'mores. You can take as many mushrooms as you want until they say you can't get any more. So there you go. Then look at how much more food I've got. Always handy life hacks. And but now you're thinking, but I haven't owned it, so how do I get out? Simple. You just what's that doing there? Okay. I'm going to be trying to make a neon mortar. It's very funny, but I'm going to have to buy 4 water bottles. Because I've seen this on TikTok that someone has actually made a neon mortar, but I don't think it's true. I think they've somehow clickbaited it or edited it or something. So I am going to be trying to make a neon water, but even if it doesn't work, at least I'll have... What the hell? How did that just happen? You just saw that, guys. It was a glitch. Wait, I need to buy 4 waters. $1, $2, $3, $4. Now let's just buy some more. They're $1, so I bought a lot of water and let's try and make a neon watermelon. Wait, I just clicked watermelon, not sandwich. I can make a legendary sandwich. I've got so many legendary sandwiches. Okay, guys, look at all of my food. I'm stocked up again. Okay, I can make a neon sandwich. Okay. Okay, let's teleport. What is the closest area to... Probably there. Okay, and I will be giving away a camper van. So, the camping car thing. So, guys, this, if you didn't know, this is where you make neons. So, it's here. It's quite a cool secret place. And this is another secret place, but only everyone uses it. This is a good place for playing hide and seek with your friends in or something. And if you want to see a hide and seek and adopt me video, okay, so I'm sorry, baby, but you'll have to go away. So it says place pet, but I'm gonna place a water. Oh, did it just food? Let's put a water. Okay, so you've just seen me place a water, another water. Oh my days! If this works, I'm gonna literally scream. My neon water! My neon water has come out. Look, guys, it's a neon water. Yes. I'm going to my